Now in our example, we have a roulette wheel, right? And it looks like this. Now, a person turns the roulette wheel in order to win, okay? Now, in our specific roulette wheel, we have three numbers. We have 10, 20, and 30, and that's the definition of the winnings, right, of the person turning the wheel. So, if we define x, the variable x, as a person's winnings, right, the values that x can have is either 10 or 20 or 30. Okay, that's right here. So, if that's the case, what's the probability of x equals 10? What's the probability of someone winning $10? Well, that's 0.25. That's 25%. And how do I know that? Because the area, okay, that's defined by 10, that's a quarter of the wheel. So that's 25%.